Continued from the previous file, literary types, the epic poetry, page 98. There are other short mock heroic poems like The Hind and the Panther by Dryden and Prior's parody. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse is in mock heroic style, although they are on a shorter scale. Number 11. Is epic dead in the modern period? Epic is not written in the modern age. The last epic or poem on epical breadth and length is the Dynasts, written by Thomas Hardy, in bracket point 1, part 1, 1903, part 2, 1906, part 3, 1908, bracket closed. As a matter of fact, modern age of hurry and tumult is not suitable for the composition of epic poetry. Modern age has thrown up types peculiar to the age, short stories and one-act plays which provide the slices of life. The problems and predicaments of the middle-class society are adequately reflected in the short stories, short novels and one-act plays. Epic celebrates the heroism of princes and warriors. In the modern age, the stature of man is reduced and the cult of hero worship is rejected. Modern literature deals with ordinary men in the ordinary circumstances of life. Characters are drawn from the middle class and the working class, and they are dominated by the mighty civilization of the modern age. Indeed, epic and tragedy in the classical sense cannot be produced in the drab realism of the modern age. Heroic grandeur has no appeal to the modern age, which has its own conflicts and tensions. Epic writing demands mental discipline, sustained scholarship, and social stability. Milton soaked himself in classical and Christian scholarship and wrote in his quiet, private, scholarly life. The writers of today are more interested in the problems and tensions of the modern society than in the heroic ideals of the remote age. Classical epic and tragedy demand certain distancing of time and objectivity of attitude. But the modern writers are interested in contemporary society and they are involved in the problems of the age. Moreover, the society is unstable, full of strains and stresses. It is not possible for the writers to retain the impersonality and objectivity characteristics of the epic. They cannot write in conformity to the set rules and patterns. In the modern age, literary forms are always broken and reshaped. Traditional forms and conventional methods are being always fragmented and dislocated to depict the disordered and dislocated life of modern age. The decadence is complete now with the stress on sensations, emotions, and the flux of consciousness, and with the total world view. The disintegrated world view can produce only fragmented and distorted literature. Page 99. However, modern age has its own epic. T.S. Eliot's The Waste Land may be described as the epic of modern dead and decayed civilization. Its style is objective and detached, full of images and pictures, and smack of the disease of modern existence. The novel has taken the place of the epic. Tolstoy's War and Peace, Thomas Mann's The Magic Mountain, Galsworthy's The Forsyte Saga gave epic pictures of life. But they have also yielded place to the realistic novels of Arnold Bennett, George Moore, and Somerset Maugham. the psychological novels of D.H. Lawrence, Virginia Woolf, and James Joyce, and the experimental novels of E.M. Forster, Joseph Conrad, Joyce Carey, George Durrell, etc. These writers experiment with themes and forms and provide the true picture of modern life with all its complexities and conflicts. End of the book, end of the file.